Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, first of all, let's learn colors name. These are our colors. Pink color, purple color, brown color, sky blue color, orange color, green color, red color, black color, blue color, yellow color. Kids, today let's learn A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dragon. E for eagle. F for flowers. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cube. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for milk. N for nuts. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rainbow. S for star. T for turkey. U for umbrella. V for fan. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.